Are you tired of the noise, hassle, and environmental impact of traditional lawn mowers? Well, get ready to revolutionize your lawn care routine with our top 5 picks for the best manual reel lawn mowers on the market. These eco-friendly, user-friendly machines offer a precise and even cut while giving you full control over your grass length. Whether you have a small yard or a larger lawn, we've got you covered. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. American Lawn Mower 4-Blade Push Reel Lawn Mower. Looking for an eco-friendly and efficient way to maintain your lawn? Look no further than the American Lawn Mower Company 1204 14-inch 4-blade push reel lawn mower in its eye-catching red color. This manual lawn mower is perfect for small to medium-sized lawns and offers a host of benefits for both you and the environment. With its 14-inch cutting width, this reel lawn mower effortlessly glides across your lawn, providing a precise and even cut. The 4 sharp blades rotate smoothly, snipping grass with ease. You'll appreciate the quiet operation of this manual mower, as it doesn't rely on noisy gas engines or electric motors. Here are some pros. Environmentally friendly, precise and even cut, quiet operation, light, and easy to maneuver. Cons. Not suitable for large lawns, requires physical effort to operate. Number 2. Fiskars Stay Sharp Max Reel Push Lawn Mower. Are you tired of dealing with the hassle of cords and the noise of gas-powered mowers? The Fiskars Stay Sharp Max Reel Push Lawn Mower is here to revolutionize your lawn care routine. This manual cordless grass trimmer in sleek black offers a wide 18-inch cut width, making it ideal for larger lawns. Featuring Fiskars' innovative Stay Sharp cutting system, this reel mower offers superior cutting performance without the need for blade sharpening. The precision ground blades cut through the grass like a hot knife through butter, ensuring a clean and even cut every time. Plus, the inertia drive reel delivers twice the cutting power for tackling tough patches of grass with ease. Here are some pros. Cordless and noise-free operation, wide cut width, Stay Sharp cutting system, and ergonomic design. Cons. Requires physical effort to operate, may struggle with overly long or wet grass. Number 3. Scott's Classic Push Reel Lawn Mower. For a classic and reliable approach to lawn care, the Scott's Outdoor Power Tools 2020's 20-inch 5-blade classic push reel lawn mower is an excellent choice. With its generous 20-inch cutting width and 5 durable blades, this manual mower ensures a clean and precise cut, leaving your lawn looking pristine. With the Scott's Classic Push Reel Lawn Mower, you have full control over the height of your grass. The adjustable cutting height offers multiple options, so you can customize your lawn to your desired length. This manual mower is also environmentally friendly, producing 0 emissions and operating quietly. Here are some pros. Wide cutting width, durable blades, stable and maneuverable, adjustable cutting height. Cons. Requires physical effort to operate, not suitable for extremely large lawns. Number 4. Greenworks 14-inch Reel Lawn Mower. Looking for a compact and lightweight solution to keep your small lawn in pristine condition? The Greenworks 14-inch Reel Lawn Mower RM1400 is the perfect tool for the job. This manual reel mower offers a 14-inch cutting width, making it ideal for narrow spaces and tight corners. The Greenworks RM1400 is designed for hassle-free operation. Its easy-to-push design and smooth rolling wheels ensure effortless maneuverability, allowing you to cover your entire lawn with ease. The height adjustment lever allows you to choose from multiple cutting heights, giving you full control over the appearance of your grass. Here are some pros. Compact and lightweight, easy maneuverability, adjustable cutting height, and durable construction. Cons. Limited cutting width, not suitable for large lawns or overgrown grass. Number 5. American Lawn Mower Reel Mower. If you're in search of a reel lawn mower that combines performance and affordability, look no further than the American Lawn Mower 18-inch 5-blade reel lawn mower. This manual mower offers an 18-inch cutting width and 5 sharp blades, ensuring a precise and even cut for your lawn. With its lightweight construction, this reel mower is easy to maneuver and navigate around your yard. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain on your hands and arms. Additionally, this manual mower operates quietly and produces 0 emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice for lawn maintenance. Pros. Affordable and reliable, wide cutting width, adjustable cutting height, lightweight and maneuverable. Cons. Requires physical effort to operate, not suitable for very large lawns.